again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, hoping that the lawn mowing guy doesn't come around again, but suspicious that he may anyway. So please forgive me. I have leftover paint at the end of my day, and it's not my favorite paint, but I'm going to do the best I can to use it and make it into something. I think what I want to do is use a color I haven't used today, which has been my favorite, which is my purple color shifting folk art, and hopefully that'll be something. Now, instead of putting down on a puddle, I'm going to put it in the middle, and I'm going to use one of my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas that you can find on my Amazon link directly under Show More under the video. And I've got an edge catcher, which means I can shift my paint around and let some of it go off if I want to. I seem to have gotten all of my bottles into my way. Whoops, don't want to knock that over. Actually, I think I like that bronze. I think I want to try some of that bronze. It's not copper, it's bronze. But I do need an edge catcher. There we go. It's too big. Let's grab a smaller edge catcher. Alright, that'll work. That's kind of pretty, actually. See, this is one way I pick my colors, is I see how things turned out that I liked. So, let's just start by letting everything go where it wants to cover as much of the canvas at first. I want some white in there, I've decided. That's white pearl from Anita's. It's white metallic, I call it pearl. My mistake. I'm still hoping for the best. I'm not so sure about that bronze yet. I'm going to squeeze the paint back onto the canvas and let everything continue to spread out. And I might, you can never tell, well, I guess I'm going to let it flow back on there. But I'm going to move my canvas down and utilize the paint that I had on my edge catcher. Just scrape it right up there again. Which I could actually take the rest of that off with a spatula and use it in that one spot that needs to be filled. And whatever else. So now I'm closing in on something, but I'm not sure what it is or even if I like it yet. I think I want some more black, and I think I'm going to give myself the pleasure of some of this black enamel. I don't really want to waste it, but I won't. Let's just pull that right down there. And I haven't had nearly enough of this color shifting turquoise from Folk Art today. And what I want to add with it is, yes, it's a strange color combination, but it does work for me. I think it works for me anyway. So I'm just letting that roll down. When it gets to the edge, I squeeze it a little bit so it'll come back on. I can go all the way back to the other side. I really just want to cover this side first over here. I can see some of the black enamel seems to be working. I'll stick my thumbnail on there. The bugs are out. They fly in my face. And then I get a little distracted, so pardon me if I seem distracted. Okay, so I've got all of that color shifting purple, and it's traveling the length of the canvas, and I'm going to let it just keep going. I lost my green, darn. Well, if I want my green, I'm going to have to put it back in there. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to let that go down that way. Fill in that little gap there. And let it come right back again. And drip right down onto my edge catcher. And then I'm thinking I'm going to take all that paint and put it right back into the artwork. Because I have been doing that recently. And I'm going to try not to let that flop into the artwork, and I'm going to scrape down all the colors there. And probably also, oh, that's cool. Probably also grab a little more here. Let that go off across the edge. Everything is fair game. Everything that I can see. Even, wow, I was not on my cottage cheese lids. Really like that in there. I can even scrape off my drips. Now I'm going to use a straw. And then I'm probably going to tip again. This is different. I love the Skriddlins. The drippages are fabulous. I'm not sure, I didn't like them when they weren't as spread out better, but maybe I can pack them up again. Probably not. It's a lot easier to do than to undo. And I've got some beautiful purple color over here. I really want to take it off my tile. It's turning brown faster than I can do anything about it. So what am I going to do? I am going to think about the color that I just said I wanted to use, and I got it. Come on out. I just cleaned you out. Didn't I? Could have sworn I did. And I have a sharp point, and this time I'm just going to hope for the best. I got a lot of cleanup to do tonight. I kind of want some of that black. I don't know if I can steal any or not. Alright, I've gone just about as far as I should go, I think, before I get myself in trouble. I say that, and then I change my mind. Because as much as I love that iridescent or color shifting purpley pink, I had a spot that was just too big for me. Alright, I'm going to call it good. I think I am, anyway. Maybe not. Just a little more of this, a little more of that, a little more of the other thing. Yeah, that's good. That's all it took. So I'm going to torch to release the bubbles in the paint. I'm going to tell you that I do sell my artwork. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill. If you share my videos, I very much appreciate it, almost as much as when you give me a thumbs up or when you watch the videos longer, that the YouTube algorithms will sometimes honor me by giving me better placement and more people get to see my video and watch me. I have almost 86,000 subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed and you're not getting notifications, you might want to check that all is chosen when you look at and ring the little bell. I've recently stopped posting lots and lots of videos, and I'm just posting at midnight most nights. So welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're looking for playlists, look on my channel under playlist. You'll find created playlists, and they'll be organized by the 100 and by genre. And I have a huge mess, and I still need to torch one more time. But I love all my strange textures. And I'm going to have some great skins hanging around here somewhere. We torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. We also torch to release patterns that you can see, and the patterns are definitely a lot to do with the Deco Art pouring medium Floetrol combination that I use along with the enamels. Alright, so I think I said this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I don't want to compete with that lawnmower, so I'm going to go and tell you not to torch and then to stick a tool in, but if you're me, you get away with it anyway. Maybe. All this stuff's going in the bucket. I'm done. I love you guys. I hope you come again. I'm sure if you look for Teespring clothing under the video, you'll find all over print t-shirts and leggings, and on Facebook you'll find Expressionist Art Studio Gallery appreciation group for students, and 2 or 3 others that start with Expressionist Art Studio. They're all mine. So I will see you anon. I love you much, and look for the place to donate if you want to help support the studio through PayPal or Patreon, and you'll be included in this month's drawing. And you can find the prizes for the drawing on the end screen video of the exhibition, whichever one it is. It's the top left corner usually. And I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. That's enough for now. I love you. Bye.